Here, I'm trying to run this code from a different terminal. Oh, maybe it's that. Yeah, but I pip install place down. I get that, but why isn't it not working here? Like, this is my environment I'm using on this other thing. Is the thing, so I guess I can just do that, but just so confused because I have it right here and it's running fine. T-flow. It's weird. It works though. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That does work. I'm confused. I'm still confused how that works technically though. On one page, but not the other. Both in the same environment. I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing the same industry Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion in. But I believe code is the great equalizer. And these are real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. moondev.com/discord. Message anyone. Ask them. Become friends.